Introducing the new Method X, a manufacturing workstation powered by Stratasys technology. Print real production-grade ABS at 100 degrees Celsius with no warping or cracking. A heated chamber provides superior Z-layer bonding for higher strength and better surface finish. The Method X allows engineers and product designers to create strong and durable end-use parts, manufacturing tools, and functional prototypes. Dual extruders deliver geometric freedom for the most complex parts and assemblies enabled by Stratasys SR-30 soluble support material. Create parts with measurable dimensional accuracy of 0.2 millimeters, in par with injection molding specifications. The MakerBot METHOD X prints 2 times faster than leading desktop 3D printers and integrates seamlessly with your CAD workflow through SolidWorks and Autodesk plugins. The brand new Method X, a manufacturing workstation.